Good morning, children. Have you all learned hard words? Yes, very good. Today, let us continue our lesson A Hero with a Difference. Let us study about Masudar Rahman Badia. The man in the picture is Masudar Rahman Badia. He doesn't have legs, children. Can you see he doesn't have legs, but he has become a very great swimmer. Okay. In short, let us see the life of Masudar Rahman first, then we will go in detail, children. Today I present the great swimmer Masudar Rahman, a tribute. He was a swimmer. You can see him. See, he doesn't have two legs. He was born in 1968 and, and he was a brave youth. He was born at Ballabpur, North 24 Parganas in West Bengal. At the age of 10, he lost both his legs in a train accident in the year 1989. He became the first physically handicapped Asian swimmer to successfully cross the English Channel, followed by this in he became the world's first physically handicapped swimmer to swim across the Strait of Gibraltar. He received this feat by swimming from the Tarfena Islands in Spain to shores of Morocco, a total distance of 22 kilometers. Handicapped swimmer Masudar Rahman Badia, a double amputee below the knee, who won the English Channel. Today found a devotee in none other than Indian sporting icon cricket legend Sachin Tendulkar. Tendulkar had said they are the real heroes and their life is like an inspiration to all of us. Right now he is no more. We lost him. Now children, let us study about Masudar Rahman Badia in detail. He was born in Ballabpur in West Bengal in 1968. He lost his legs in goods train accident at the age of 10. He came from a poor family. His father was an imam at the local mosque. His family thought that he would never move freely, but Masudar was brave and followed doctors' advice and exercised regularly and also began to learn swimming in the village ponds. Regularly he used to practice swimming in the village ponds. He never lost hope. Always what he did, he listened to the doctors and he exercised regularly, and today he has become a very great swimmer. Swimming, you all know, children, it requires high mental and physical strength to move the body through water and keep pushing forward. It was very difficult for him to swim, but what he do? He didn't lose hope. He kept trying. He kept going on trying harder and harder, and he succeeded in his life with his patience, with his determination, and today he is very, very famous. Now, let us see his achievements. What are his achievements? In 1989, this man participated in a swimming competition organized by Artificial Limb Center of Pune, and he went to Maharashtra to participate. And what did he do there? Out of 17 races, he got first position in 16. Then in 1997, he was the first physically challenged Asian swimmer to cross the English Channel. Then, following this, in 2001, he became the first physically challenged swimmer to swim across the Strait of Gibraltar. And what did he do next? What happened to him next? He achieved this feat by swimming from Tarifa Islands in Spain to the shores of Morocco by completing a total distance of 22 kilometers in just 4 hours and 20 minutes. Then, after this achievement, what happened? He has become very famous. All the news channels interviewed him, and next day he was on the cover pages of all the newspaper. He has become the celebrated sports person. Today, he is very famous. Sachin Tendulkar admired him and visited Masudar in 2014, and saluting Masudar achievements, he said, they are the real heroes and their lives are like an inspiration to all of us. Though he was very famous, he has got reputed, he has become famous, he led a very simple life. Till he breathed his last in 2015, he lived with his mother, his wife, and daughter in the village. He was very interested, enthusiastic. Okay, enthusiastic means he was very interested to swim and was always involved with local swimmers organizations and acted as a trainer and also an advisor. So many youngsters took inspiration in Masudar, and for them, what message did he give? He said to them, it is absolutely possible for persons with physical disabilities to do things better than others, but you have to be dedicated to your cause. So, what did he say? Anybody can become successful even though they are physically disabled, but they should be dedicated to their cause. Masuda's life has been an inspiring story of determination and courage. Everyone takes hope and courage from Masudar Bhatia. Masudar Bhatia doesn't have two legs. You can see children. So everybody can take encouragement or courage from him and can be successful in their life. Have you all understood, children? Now see the homework. What you have to do is have to read the lesson twice, children, thoroughly, and then learn the given hard words: success, accident, mosque, different, thought, extreme, unmatched, village, swimming, history. Learn and write hard words. Thank you, children.